Okay, so first I rinse my hair with hot water, as hot as I can stand. I then pre-poo with hair grease, focusing on the ends. I cover the hair with a plastic cap for an hour or more and then rinse out with hot water. I apply Head and Shoulders shampoo to my scalp only and then rinse out. I then apply a moisturizing shampoo to the length of my hair. I detangle while the hair is lathered with the shampoo. I twist the lathered section of hair back up to help keep it stretched. Next, I rinse out the shampoo and twist the hair back up under running water. After shampooing, I unravel the twist, spritz hot water to the section if needed, apply the grease, and then I detangle a little, focusing on the ends. I put my hair in a protective style, making sure the ends are tucked away. I cover my hair with a satin lined cap or silk scarf and don't manipulate the hair until the next wash day. Okay guys, be sure to check out the description box for the purpose of this video. Also, I've included the link to all of the videos that I have retrieved these clips from. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them below. Be sure to thumbs up this video, share this video with all of your social media friends. Be sure to subscribe. And until the next video guys, bye-bye.